Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a little peace and quiet on your Wix website, or maybe you just don't need visitors reaching out through chat, today's tutorial is for you. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the chat feature on your Wix site. By the end of this video, you'll know how to easily remove chat and keep your site clean and distraction-free so you can tailor your visitor experience exactly how you want it. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is the central hub where you can edit your site and control all its features. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Sometimes we rush through steps or forget passwords, so don't worry if it takes a moment to get set up. Once you're in, navigate to the site you want to edit. Remember, every site can have its own design and features, so make sure you're working on the correct one. Now, once you're looking at your web design canvas, take a look for the chat widget. Usually Wix places their chat tool somewhere visible. Often it's tucked into a corner, or you might see a little chat icon floating at the bottom of your pages. The chat widget helps visitors contact you instantly. But if that's not what you want, let's remove it. To do this, simply click on the chat widget itself. That's going to select it, and you'll probably see a blue outline appear or some controls pop up, confirming that it's the active element. Clicking accurately ensures that you don't accidentally mess with other parts of your design. So take a second to make sure you're really selecting the chat feature, not a button or background element nearby. If you're nervous, hover your mouse over the chat until you see it highlighted, then give it a confident click. Once the chat is selected, you have two really easy ways to delete it. The first method is to just press delete on your keyboard. That's probably the fastest way. Hit that key, and the chat widget disappears like magic. And if you change your mind, Wix makes it easy by letting you undo your action, so no need to worry about making mistakes. For those who like a more visual approach, there's another method. After selecting the chat widget, you can right-click on it. This will open up a menu. From there, just choose the delete option. Sometimes right-clicking feels more reassuring if you want to double-check what you're deleting, especially if you're a cautious designer or new to website editing. And that's honestly it. The chat widget is now removed from your site. You've just made your site quieter, cleaner, and more focused on the content or the goals you want for your visitors. Think of it like clearing clutter from your workspace. It helps your site look and feel more professional and welcoming, especially if you prefer to handle inquiries another way or just want to limit interruptions. So, in only a couple of clicks, you've mastered this feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions or ran into any problems, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple tips and tutorials to make your web design life just a little easier. See you next time.